Hello, welcome to Weekly Recipes. Every Tuesday, I'd like to release a video of a recipe that falls on the keto eating plan. And lately, I bought a little bit too much ground beef, so gonna have quite a few ground beef recipes. But hey, beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, right? That's the keto type, right? So let's go ahead and get to the recipe. Okay, got the oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I got everything already cut up and measured out. Starting off with 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 12 ounces of zucchini cubed, cut up in perfect cubes there. And I'm sure a mathematician on Reddit just had their brain explode. 1 teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and thank you for having actual measurements on salt and pepper. 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to get that cubed up even more. And 2 quarter cups of cheddar cheese, 2 quarter cups of mozzarella cheese, and I'll get that started. Okay, get the ground beef cooking over medium heat, and I'll add the salt, onion powder, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Just get those mixed in. I'm not sure if a lot of recipes have me mix it in while it's cooking, and some recipes mix it in after it's cooking. What do you say? What do you suggest doing? All right, I drained the meat out, so now I'll add in the zucchini and get that mixed in. Yep, 100% perfectly cubed. Anyway, now that it's mixed in, I'll let that cook for 1 minute. All right, that's 1 minute. So now I'll add in the cream cheese, and I'll get that cooked and mixed in until it's completely incorporated. And then remove from heat, and then mix in the cheese. Probably wait till the cheese is melted, but that's not going to take very long. All right, now that's all mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and put that into this casserole dish that's been greased up. I can't help but think that they designed this recipe for a differently shaped casserole dish, because they say a 2-quart casserole dish, and this is 2 quarts. But this pan usually, not pan, whatever thing it is usually better meant for a 4-serving recipe. But anyway, now that's all mixed up. I'll put the cheese on the top. Just spread it around the top. And now I'll let that bake for 10 minutes. Okay, there's the finished product after it's done cooking. That kind of looks like, yeah. Anyway, I'll let that cool off a bit before dishing it out. And there's the finished product all bowled out. Like I said, it looked like better as 4 servings rather than the recommended 8 servings. But yeah, it smells amazing. But ground beef, cheese, and cream cheese is a good combination. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and check out blog and Patreon links below. Every Tuesday I'm going to make a keto recipe, hopefully. And have a nice day.